If you are looking at your current desk setup and wondering whether you should buy a computer today or wait, stop everything you are doing. The desktop landscape is about to experience a massive shift, and it centers around a tiny aluminum box that is quietly becoming the most dangerous computer Apple has ever built. Welcome back to Tech Vibe. If you want to stay ahead of every major technological breakthrough, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the upcoming Apple Mac Mini M5 and M5 Pro. We have analyzed the latest supply chain leaks, internal macOS code discoveries, and architectural shifts happening right now to bring you the definitive look at what this machine is, what it will cost, and why it might completely invalidate the rest of Apple's desktop lineup. Stick around until the very end, because we are going to reveal a hidden feature built into the new M5 architecture that completely changes how this machine handles professional workflows, and it is something Apple is intentionally trying to keep under wraps. Let's be completely honest about where the desktop market stands right now. For years, buying a compact computer meant accepting massive compromises. You either had to deal with a massive tower taking up half your desk, or settle for a tiny, underpowered machine that choked the moment you tried to edit a single stream of high-resolution video or run a complex local database. Then Apple shook up the entire industry by shrinking the chassis down to a microscopic 5x5-inch footprint. It was a design masterpiece, but the upcoming transition to the 5th-generation Apple Silicon is where things get truly wild. According to code references uncovered inside the latest macOS builds, Apple is actively testing two distinct versions of the next-generation desktop under the internal identifiers J873S and J873G. These point directly to the standard M5 and the high-performance M5 Pro variants. If you are expecting a radical visual transformation on the outside, you can put those expectations away. Apple is retaining the ultra-compact, pocket-sized aluminum enclosure. But do not let that fool you into thinking this is a minor iteration. What is happening inside this tiny enclosure represents a complete architectural overhaul designed to solve the one major bottleneck that has plagued small form-factor computers for a decade: sustained thermal performance under intense, artificial intelligence-driven workloads. Let's break down exactly what makes the M5 chip a completely different beast compared to anything we have seen before. While it maintains a highly advanced 3nm fabrication process, the internal layout has been radically re-engineered. The massive headline upgrade here is a completely redesigned graphics processing unit architecture that integrates a dedicated, hardware-level neural accelerator directly inside every single GPU core. This isn't just a marketing buzzword. This is a fundamental shift in how the silicon processes data. Apple's internal testing suggests that this layout delivers up to 3.5 times the raw performance for on-device artificial intelligence processing compared to previous generations. What does that actually mean for you in your daily workflow? It means that if you are a developer running local large language models, a creator using advanced neural filters in video editing suites, or someone who relies heavily on deep learning automation, the standard M5 Mac Mini will execute these tasks at speeds that used to require a dedicated, power-hungry desktop workstation. But the raw processing power is only half the story. The real secret weapon of the M5 Mac Mini is the massive jump in unified memory bandwidth. The architecture is engineered to support up to 153 GB per second of memory bandwidth. That is a staggering 30% increase over previous entry-level models. If you have ever experienced your computer stuttering or freezing when you have 50 browser tabs open while rendering a project in the background, this bandwidth increase is the cure. It allows the central processing unit and the graphics processor to share data almost instantly, eliminating the traditional bottlenecks that slow down multitasking. Now, let's talk about the absolute powerhouse of the lineup, the M5 Pro Mac Mini. This is where the machine transforms from an incredible consumer desktop into an absolute weapon for professionals. Rumors out of the supply chain indicate that the M5 Pro chip can be configured with up to an 18-core CPU and a massive 20-core GPU, split between specialized efficiency cores and raw performance cores. This variant is designed specifically for people who push their hardware to the absolute limit. Think software engineers compiling massive codebases, 3D artists rendering complex scenes, and music producers running hundreds of simultaneous audio tracks with heavy plug-in processing. To handle that level of professional performance, the connectivity on the M5 Pro model is getting a massive structural upgrade. Unlike the standard M5 model, which will feature ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, the M5 Pro version is slated to fully adopt Thunderbolt 5 technology. This means your data transfer speeds will skyrocket, allowing you to connect multiple high refresh rate external displays and high-speed external storage arrays without a single drop in performance. Combine that with a baseline storage configuration that is expected to start at a much faster 512 GB as the absolute standard, and you have a machine that completely bridges the gap between consumer accessibility and high-end workstation performance. Wireless connectivity is also getting the ultimate future-proofing treatment. The upcoming Mac Mini family will officially integrate Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 technology. If you have a compatible network setup, Wi-Fi 7 will provide multi-gigabit wireless speeds and incredibly low latency, making cloud backups, local network file transfers, and high-definition streaming completely seamless, even without an Ethernet cable attached. This brings us to the ultimate question that every single tech enthusiast is asking right now: how much is this massive performance leap going to cost you? Historically, the Mac Mini has been celebrated as the undisputed king of value in the computing world, offering a cheap entry point into the Apple ecosystem. The good news is that Apple intends to keep this competitive edge alive. The standard M5 Mac Mini is heavily expected to maintain its highly accessible starting price point, hovering around $599 to $699. When you consider the sheer amount of computing power packed into that price, it becomes an incredibly difficult proposition to justify building a budget Windows PC or looking anywhere else. On the flip side, if you want the uncompromised power of the M5 Pro version with Thunderbolt 5 and those extra GPU cores, expect prices to start around $1,299, scaling up as you configure higher amounts of unified memory and solid-state storage. The official launch window is where things get interesting. While initial roadmaps pointed toward an early reveal, global supply constraints and massive demand for AI-optimized silicon have slightly shifted the timeline. The current consensus among top industry analysts indicates a launch tracking toward the middle to the latter half of the year. This staging gives Apple the perfect runway to showcase the true capabilities of their new desktop hardware alongside the next generation of operating system features. Remember that hidden feature we promised to reveal at the beginning of the video? It all comes down to how the M5 architecture handles sustained thermal loads. Because the M5 integrates its neural accelerators directly into the GPU cores rather than separating them into an isolated block, the system can dynamically shift cooling priorities across the die based entirely on your workflow. This means the upcoming Mac Mini can run intensive professional applications for hours on end without hitting a thermal wall or throttling its performance, allowing this tiny 5x5-inch desktop to match the sustained performance of computers 3 times its size. It is a terrifyingly efficient design that completely redefines what a compact desktop can do. If you made it this far, you are officially part of the inner circle here at Tech Vibe. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. If this deep dive brought you value, go ahead and smash the like button, drop a comment below letting us know if you are going to wait for the M5 Mac Mini or buy a computer now, and do not forget to subscribe so you never miss another tech update. We will see you in the very next video.